Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok reposts private. So let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app on the latest version. Tap on this arrow right here, which is for reposting, and it will show you all the reposts that you've done. Then tap on these three dots up here and click on Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and in the Account section, click on Privacy. Now, the only way to really make your reposts private is by making your account private. So, let's go ahead and do that. If you switch your account to private, only your followers will be able to see your reposts instead of everyone else. That's going to be the only way to do it. There's no way to make reposts completely private. If you're trying to make all of your reposts completely private from even your followers, that's not possible because reposts are meant to be shared with your followers. That's why you don't have the setting to make reposts completely private. However, if you want to keep a video just for yourself, you can save it and make it private there so no one else can see it. You could save it as private, but I wouldn't repost it because, again, the purpose of reposting is for you to share it with your followers at the minimum. So, making your account private is the only way to allow you to make reposts private from everyone else. And that's how you do it. I hope this video explanation was helpful. If it was, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more tips and tricks on your TikTok app and other apps as well. We'll see you next time.